We got problems with the Keystone pipeline. As you know, I believe it's been finished.
Yes.
Well, the oil people and the refiners, they don't want the oil. We've got too much of it. John Hofmeister is with us, former Shell oil president. What's going on with the Keystone pipeline, John?
Well, things have moved on, Stuart, and we're getting more oil out of West Texas and the Eagle Ford Shale and other parts of the shale formations. And frankly, all of that oil is closer to the Gulf of Mexico than the Canadian oil from the oil sands. And so the market has moved on to new production from new sources, even though it's old formations. The Permian Basin is a very old formation, but we keep finding more oil. So essentially, we have displaced the Canadian oil with American oil, and so we don't really have the same need for the pipeline. Now, over time, we may need it, but not right now. And they need customers right now who would pay for it, but they're not ready to sign up because they don't see the immediate need for the oil.
John, real fast, I don't see any way that oil gets back to $60 a barrel this year, given that you've got an oversupply from all sources at this moment.
Come on,
Yeah, it all depends on the inventory levels, Stuart, and we really don't know exactly how much inventory is out there. But we are ultimately going to get to a point where the deferral of capital spending is going to put a gigantic squeeze on the supply side because demand is not going away. It's not growing as fast as it could, but it's not going away. And so with all the deferral, hundreds of billions of dollars of deferral, we will catch up to higher-priced oil at some point.
Okay, you owe me $200 if oil does not get back to $80 a barrel by the end of this year.
You said 60.
I said 60 in that point. The bet was 80.
Can I challenge this thinking on 3 points?
Go.
China. Everybody says demand has peaked for imports in China. The last couple of reports out of China, record imports. We're exporting more and more of our oil out of the South. Thirdly, the Canadian dollar. Where is it going? Up. That changes the equation. 3 things that could be a catalyst for a turnaround in oil.
You make
Told you
sense.
I'd be quick.
That was pretty good. So, you got 3 points in about 30 seconds. That's very, very good at this point because I'm jam-packed. John Hofmeister, look, I'm terribly sorry. I'm not dismissing you. I'm saying goodbye. We'll see you again after the holiday. Thanks very much, John.